These gloves are super easy and beginner friendly. Hi Cozy Leaves, I'm Nazanin and today we're making the matching gloves for our Pacific hat and scarf. This pattern is quick and perfect for fall. Grab your hook and yarn and let's get started. The only things we need to do is crochet 2 squares and sew 2 sides together. And just like that, our gloves are ready. It's really that easy. I'm using YarnArt Pacific yarn. The yarn info is right on the label. It's 50-gram skein, 200-meter line, super lightweight, and the color code is 306. I'm using 4mm crochet hook, but feel free to grab any yarn you love. We need a pair of scissors and a needle. Let's get started. Make a slip knot on your hook and make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Now make a slip stitch into the first chain. Here is our ring. Okay, we're gonna making 5 chains as a first double crochet and 2 chains space. Okay, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here is our first double crochet and 2 chain space. Okay, wrap yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the ring, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops. Here is our double crochet. Now we're gonna making 2 more double crochet in the ring. Okay, now we're gonna making 2 chains for the second corner. We're gonna making 3 double crochet and 2 chains 2 more times. 2, 3, 2 chains, again 3 double crochet and 2 chains for the third side of our square. And for the last side, we had 1 double crochet here. Make 2 more double crochet, join with the slip stitch to the third chain. Okay, here is our square. Look. Now for the round 2, move to the chain space by the slip stitch. Now we're gonna making 5 chains. Now we're gonna making 3 double crochet in the same chain space. Without any chain, go to the next chain space, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet in there. From now to the end of the row that you reach to the desired size, in the each chain spaces of the corners, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. Okay, go to the next chain space, repeat this diagram. You don't need any chains between the corner spaces. Okay, just making 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochets into the each corner. In the first chain space, make 2 double crochet and join with the slip stitch to the third chain. Okay, I want to secure the tail of the yarn from the first. Secure it between the stitches with my hook, and after that cut it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a lovely comment, and subscribe so you won't miss the next crochet project. Okay, for the round 3, move to the chain space by the slip stitch. Again, make 5 chains as a first double crochet and 2 chain. Make 3 more double crochet in the same chain space. And now, without any chain, go to the space between 2 clusters of 3 double crochet here. Insert your hook in there and make 3 double crochet in the same space. Move to the next chain space of the corner. Make 3 double crochet, 2 chains, and 3 double crochet in there. Again, move to the next space between the clusters of 3 double crochet. Make 3 double crochet in there. You know, this gloves is part of the Pacific hat and scarf set, right? I've put the playlist link in the description for you so you can check out the whole set. And tell me in the comments what color would you choose for your own Pacific set. I love to know that. Okay, continue with making 3 double crochet in the each space between the clusters of 3 double crochet in the each side of a square, and in the corner space in the chain 2 spaces make 3 double crochet, 2 chains, and 3 double crochet. Okay, for the round 4, move to the chain space by the slip stitch, make 5 chains and 3 double crochet in there. Now we're gonna making 3 double crochet into the each space between the clusters of 3 double crochet. Okay, into the next space make 3 double crochet. This pattern for the gloves is one of the simplest patterns, so even if you're beginner, you can easily crochet it. Trust me, you will love it. Okay, 2 chains and 3 double crochet in the corner. Repeat this diagram until the end. Make 3 double crochet into each next spaces of the each side. I fell in love with this yarn. Even thought it's mohair. It's very soft and super warm, perfect for autumn. Okay, from here just keep repeating round 4 until you reach the desired side. Basically, half of the motif should be matched with your hand at the widest part. Look, here is my hand. It's the widest part of my hand. The half of the motif should be matched with this part. Look, half of the square equal the equal the half of the hand, actually the widest part here. Okay, like this. Let me put on it. That's it. This part must be the equal by the size of your widest part of the hand. Okay, then continue crocheting until you reach to the desired size. I reached to the row where one more round will be get into the desired size. Again, join with the slip stitch to the third chain. Look, the half of my square is the equal by the my size minus 1 centimeter. I need one more round. Move to the chain space and make 5 chains as a first double crochet. Make 3 double crochet in the corner space, and in the final row we should make a double crochet on the all stitches of the 2 opposite sides. Okay, I'm making 1 double crochet into the each stitches. Skip the spaces between the clusters of 3 double crochet, just making 1 double crochet into the each stitches of this part of a square. As I said to you, we should make double crochet into the 2 opposite sides. Okay, make 1 double crochet until the end of this side. In the corner space, as usual, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. And now we're gonna making 3 double crochet into the each spaces between the clusters of 3 double crochet. Okay. Repeat this until the end of this side. In the corner, again 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. And in the next side of the square, again we're gonna making 1 double crochet into the each stitches. Skip the spaces between the clusters of 3 double crochet. Okay, like this part, make 1 double crochet in the each stitches. Continue until the end of this side, and in the corner make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. And in the last side of our square, in the each space between the clusters of 3 double crochet, make 3 double crochet. In the end, make 2 double crochet and join with the slip stitch to the third chain. Okay, here is our square. Now you need to place 2 sides opposite each other and join them. Just make sure the side with the double crochet is positioned at the top and the bottom, so it will be at the waist and the fingerprints. Okay, move to the first chain of the corner. Go to the next side, opposite side, insert your hook into the first chain here, bring the yarn out from there and make a chain. Now we're gonna making slip stitches into the back loops of the each stitch of the each side. Look, here is our stitch. Insert your hook inside it, in the back loop of it and grab the back loop of the other side, the opposite stitch of the other side, and bring the yarn out from all the loops. Okay, repeat this diagram until you reach to the third clusters of 3 double crochet. After that, skip the last double crochet of the third clusters of 3 double crochets. Okay, let me show you. Continue with making slip stitches in the each back loops of the each side stitches. If you want, you can sewing it with the needle. Okay, look, skip this stitch. Now we're gonna making 1 slip stitch into the each next 7 stitches just in the one side. Okay, don't push too hard the hook, just making slip stitches. This section we've skipped or is where thumbed stitches will go. Okay, skip 7 stitches in the other side and insert your hook into the 8th stitch of the both side in the back loops and make a slip stitch in there. Now we're gonna continue with making slip stitches into the each both back loops of the each side. Okay, our glove is almost done and there are the last stitches. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to share it with your crochet friends and leave me a comment. Your support means so much to me. Last stitches. Okay, about the chains, you must make your stitches in the each next 2 chains that you have in the corner. Make a chain and go to the next chain and make a slip stitch and a chain. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Secure the tail of the yarns between the stitches in the end and after that done. Okay. Our gloves are finished. I hope you crocheting along with me. Don't forget to show off your creation, share this tutorial with your crochet friends, and leave comment. I love to hear from you. If you make it, don't forget to send a picture of it to my email address. You can find the link of it in description below. Your support means the world to me. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you in next video. Bye.